My name is what? My name is who? My name is
Officer Puppet.
Hi. My name is My name is what? My name is
Officer Puppet.
Hi. My name is what? My name is who? My name is
Officer Puppet.
Hi. My name is My name is what? My name is
Officer Puppet.
UMass Amherst students are coming back, and the bars are full. We in the game like a running back. Police warn drivers to sober up or get pulled over. Be careful or they gon' search you with a rover. You don't want those problems, you don't want those problems, but if you get those problems, I promise we can solve them. Like the mathematician, no jail, no prison. Tell us the situation, now we get in the vision. Criminal law attorney Dan Sandel is the best lawyer in town, and that's for real. Call 413-549-3883 and ask for he'll get you off any case. Now no worries at all. Spring semester, summer semester, and even fall. Dan Sandel is the man, and that is true. Pass the message around. This is from me to you.